Greetings dear students. So in this next video we will discuss functions, which is a very important part of a C program. Okay, let us start writing. So our program start with standard notations, include stdio.h, then void main, and whole of the code is written inside the body of main. As we all know that every program has at least one function, that is main function, and functions are of two types: library functions and user defined functions. So here in this video we will be creating a user defined function, and let us create a function to calculate sum of cubes. Okay, for that, first of all, we have to define a function, void, so I name it cube int. So this is function declaration, and this void means function return type. This is the name of function, and then two int here are input. So we are going to input two numbers, and inside the main, let me write a, b, and now we have to assign values to a and b. For that, printf enter values of a and b, then semicolon. Let us scan those values in the address of a and b, %d, and then address of a, first value will be stored in a and second value will be stored in b. So this is the normal program. And now the second part for function is calling a function, so that we just write the name of function and the arguments with which we want to call this function. So this is actually the main part. Now the third important thing is function definition. So we again write void cube int x int y, and here the body of this cube function. So here we again declare a variable, let that be cub, which will calculate sum of cubes, and cub is equals. So here we use another inbuilt function, that is power function. Power x comma 3 means x power 3 plus power y comma 3. This will again raise the power y power 3. But to make use of this function, we have to include another header file. What is that? Hash include math.h. So remember, we use mathematical functions, we have to include this header file. And once we have this cube, we will print the value printf sum of cubes is equal to %d and cub. So to make the presentation better, let us have few empty lines and a tab key here. So this will take the output to next lines. Okay, let us save this and compile and execute. So as you see on your screen, we have to enter value of a and b. Let I enter 4 and 5. So a4, b5. What will be the answer? 4 cube plus 5 cube, and the answer is 189. So this is how function work. Let me explain again. This is function declaration, this is function call, and here we have the definition, the body of the function. So this is a function in which it return nothing. We have taken return type as void. Now there is another statement, return statement. So let us see how that works. To make use of return statement, we will write the return type as int. If the function is returning an integer value, this is returning a integer value. So for that we have to include here sum, and we write sum is equal to cube of this, and we will print this statement instead of here in the main function itself. And what we are going to print? Sum. And here at last we write return CUB. Now what will be returned and where it will be returned, that is important here. Whenever this statement is executed, function is called, control will jump to its body. That means value of a and b are passed to x and y, and then here cube of sum of cubes of x and y was calculated, and that was returned where it is called, and that value is assigned to sum, which is got printed. It's very simple. Let me save it, compile and execute. So let us again see, if I enter 12 and 13, what will be the answer? 12 cube plus 13 cube, and here you got the answer. So very simple program for functions without return and with return statement.